Best regard. I am Sergio Ortiz Acevedo. I have studied business administration since 270. I have lived in Bogota all my life. I am 23 years old. I was born in Bogota. I have been in a romantic relationship for more than 3 years, and we have plans to get married soon. I am an insurance technologist, and I have been working in Seguros del Estado for 5 years as a risk analyst. I like to travel a lot. I have known many places in Colombia. I have never left the country. I really like animals. I have 3 dogs that I adopted, and they are part of my family. Thank you for your attention, and greetings to all.